Hi folks, I'm attorney Richard LaGarde. I want to share with you 3 tips for a successful truck accident lawsuit. I've spent the last 30 years representing injured individuals in both Texas and Louisiana, and I've got a lot of experience in handling truck accident cases. And the first tip I have for you is this. The very first thing you need to do is get to a qualified doctor who can treat you and identify what your injuries are. So many times people who've been involved in truck accidents or where they've been hit by a truck are mangled and injured, and they don't always get properly treated, they don't always get properly diagnosed. So it's important to find a qualified doctor to treat you and to diagnose your condition. That's step number 1. Step number 2, find an attorney who actually has experience in handling truck accident cases. And it's so important because there are federal regulations involving trucks in terms of their maintenance, in terms of how many hours a truck driver can be driving on the road. And it's important that an attorney know those regulations, that he knows what the custom and practice is in the trucking industry. As an example, we had a case involving an individual who was hit by a truck that was a hit and run. He took off. We knew that you could find where that truck was, how long it had been on the road, how many stops or rest stops the driver had had by looking at the onboard computer of the truck, which is hooked by satellite to the central office of the trucking company. And we were able to get those documents and document where the truck had been, how fast it was going, how long it took it to get to that location, and to show that the truck driver had not actually taken the breaks he was supposed to take under federal regulations. So it's very important that you find an attorney who actually has experience in handling truck accident cases. The third tip for you is find an attorney who has actual trial experience, who is board certified as a trial attorney. I'll give you an example. I'm board certified in both personal injury and civil trial law. Now, less than 0.5% of Texas attorneys are board certified in both fields. Now, why is that important for you? Well, to be board certified, you have to prove, number 1, that you've got experience in trying lawsuits. You have to take some pretty rigorous tests, and you have to have recommendations from your fellow attorneys and from judges. Now, if you find a board certified attorney, you at least have the peace of mind of knowing that the other side, the insurance company, knows that your lawyer is willing and able and will probably do a good job of trying your case if they force you to trial. And that's why your chances of settling your lawsuit are probably a lot better, of settling it out of court, that is, if you have a board-certified attorney who has proven that he or she has the experience in trying lawsuits to go head-to-head with the insurance company's lawyer. If you've been injured in a truck accident, give me a call. We can go over what options you might have. Now, I can't undo what's happened to you, but you may be entitled to compensation. Give me a call today for a free and confidential chat about your options.